So this one, really special. You could argue it's the Queen of Range Rovers because it is Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II's car. It was supplied new to her. It's 2007. And it's the L322, as everyone seems to believe is peak Range Rover. And it has all of the usual HMQ additions like the side step to help her get in. I'm guessing it should have the side handles up here, up in the pillars. Oh no, interestingly this one doesn't. So there was one, the last one that was sold had additional handrails or grab handles up there to help her get in because she was quite a diminutive lady. But the last one of hers that sold, well, it was 132,000 previously, and then just recently one sold for 175,000 pounds. This one's only guided at 50 to 60,000. So are they under-guiding it in the hope that it will go bigger, or do they think the kind of the thrill of owning one of Her Majesty's cars has gone? I don't think it has. I think this will do better than that.